I'm going to show you how to do some beautiful crispy shallots. Really simple, but a nice way to elevate your burger. Very quickly, chop off the ends, take a bit of that off, and then slice down the middle. What I'm going to do is we're just going to take off one layer of the shallot, like that, and then I'm going to slice it very thin from the side. Then just break them all apart like this. Okay, so to cook these nice shallots, very easy. We need a pan, cold, we need plenty of oil in the cold pan, and we get our shallots, we put them in. We go high heat at the start until that oil starts getting hot, and then we're going to turn it down a little bit. What we'll do then is we'll just wait for them to turn colour, get nice and brown. And they won't look like they're crispy in the pan, but when you take them off the pan and you put them in kitchen paper, then they'll turn beautiful crisp. So this is the first step, and that's all we got to do for now. Full, crunchy onions. Very good. So we put them aside, and there are our garnish for our burgers.